Hello and welcome to our demo video of the Aztec Guzzler 620. Today we're going to show how to remove and repair the diaphragm pump on the unit. To start, you want to remove the 4 back nuts and bolts that mount the Guzzler diaphragm pump to the steel plate. This also allows you to adjust the pump should you want to move it closer or further away from the floor. You also want to remove the vacuum hose from the pump by loosening this hose clamp here, which requires a flathead screwdriver. Once all these bolts have loosened, you want to jump to the middle of the machine where I'm going to demonstrate how to disconnect the pump arm. To remove the arm from the diaphragm pump, you want to remove this 1 Allen keyed nut from the front of the pump and the pump arm. Once all these connections have been loosened, you then can remove the pump through the bottom of the machine. Over here, we have some parts laid out for you. This is an example of a completed pump assembly. This can be purchased directly from Aztec and will allow you to quickly swap out an entire pump assembly. The required tools for the job consist of a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 1/2-inch box wrench, as well as an Allen key. Should you not need to replace the entire pump, you can order a rubber replacement kit. Here we have the 5 pieces of the kit, and we have disassembled a pump. To start, you want to remove the 12 Phillips head screws out of the front of the pump. You'll see on our completed pump where they're installed. This will open up the front of the pump to replace the main diaphragm. Once that is completed, you now need to replace the top and bottom seals. You do this by removing the 6 Phillips head screws in the top and bottom of the unit. Once you have done that, you then can install the 2 pieces of rubber that are required for each, the gasket and the flapper valve. Once that's complete, you then can tighten up all your screws back on the pump. Ensure that the pump is pumping correctly. And then you can take the pump back and install it back to the machine. This is our video on the pump replacement and rubber replacement kits for the Guzzler 620. All of these parts can be purchased directly from Aztec. If you have any questions, we have tech support available from 7:30 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time. Most of these parts are in stock and available for next day shipment.